In this video, I'll show you how to access the keychain and the password manager on your MacBook. To access the keychain on your MacBook, open the Finder and search for keychain. Then you have the option to open passwords or open keychain access. Passwords is a more modern version of the keychain. So to access the keychain, you have to enter your password for your device. And now you have access to all the saved passwords on your device, on your MacBook. You can also search for passwords. Here I wanted to delete one saved password for a local network. This is also useful if you want to check which saved passwords you have. And here I'm connecting to a Windows share through SMB Windows share. And yeah, these are the saved passwords. If you don't want to have them, you can delete them. For example, right click on it and delete. The iCloud one, the keychain in iCloud, I was able to delete it, but I wasn't really able to delete the local one. But if you really want to remove this, you can actually change the network address. So if this one didn't want to be deleted, I'm not sure, maybe I have to restart or refresh the page. But if you want to make sure that this goes away, you can choose to rename the network path so it doesn't match the path that you have, and you can add it again. And the passwords is the more modern option to manage your saved passwords. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.